How to clear cache in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the temporary data. First of all, navigate to the place where Kindle is located. Now simply tap and hold onto it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Tap on this eye icon. So these are the app settings available. So all the settings related to the app will be available here. Now here on the right bottom, you can see clear data. Simply tap on clear data. Now here there are two different options, clear all data and clear cache. So if you tap on clear all data, your account, password and everything will be cleared. But if you just tap on clear cache, all the temporary files of Kindle will be removed. So simply tap on clear cache and tap on OK. So it's all set now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.